Hello, my name is Kushal. I work as an occupational therapist. In this video, I'm going to talk about unhelpful thinking style. Now, please watch my video on 5-area model of cognitive behavioral therapy. In that video, I've explained the importance of our thoughts in a certain situation. And also I have made another thought video that talks about what are the factors that influences our thinking style. Now, while our thoughts in any situation depends on two factors. One is biological factor and number two is our lifelong experiences, which reflects to core values. Again, please watch those videos. I have included the link in the bottom of the description of this video. Please have a look. It will give you more understanding. So what is unhelpful thinking styles? I have explained in my other videos that the fight and flight symptoms, the anxiety, is our natural risk assessment tool that is inbuilt in us. When we are faced with an adverse situation in our life, it may be a job loss, it may be relationship challenges, it may be an illness, it can be anything. The first thing, mind goes into a stage of shock, and the thoughts focuses very much on what could go wrong, and it starts doing a risk assessment. Now, are our thoughts different? Generally, people think they are. They look different, but think about it for 1 second. We all have the similar sort of lung structure and we breathe more or less in the same mechanism. Our brain also has similar structures. How we can think differently if the brain structure is the same? So actually, in my view, this is my personal view, our thinking styles, the building bricks are the same, but they are arranged in different arrays for different people. So when the wall is built with the same bricks, it looks different. So we mix and match our thinking styles in different ways. So going back to the point of anxiety, when we are anxious, our unhelpful thinking styles kick in, and there are only certain different types of unhelpful thinking styles that can take place. And based on our previous experiences, we focus on one thinking style or another one, or we mix them all in the same proportion. That is where our life experiences matters. But the thinking styles, what are the roots? They are predetermined by our biological development. So in this video, I'm going to talk about, if we look at here, there are 10 different types of unhelpful thinking styles. In this video, I'm going to talk about our first unhelpful thinking styles, which refers to mental filter. Now, what it is? Basically, mental filter refers to when we are in a difficult situation, our mind focuses only one aspect of the situation, and normally it focuses on the problematic aspect. And think about a big picture. Think about the picture of Mona Lisa. If you are only focusing on the eye and you are not focusing anywhere else, it's the same. So our brain filters out, only focuses only one area, and it thinks that is the whole thing. But actually, although in any situation there might be one area that is challenging, but there might be lots of positives in different areas, but brain decides to ignore those. So even a reasonably situation which is under control, it might appear to us that it is out of control. So as part of overcoming this, the first step is to start recognizing, am I focusing on only one part of the whole situation, or am I thinking in the bigger picture? So once you start asking those questions, you might start saying that, oh, okay, actually things are slightly better than what I'm thinking, and perhaps we can do something about it. So that's the first style. In my subsequent videos, I will talk about the other styles, and when I go through all the styles, and if you watch them kindly, it will make more sense. You will start seeing there's a trend. that in our life situations, when we are in difficulties, we can start taking small steps that can make things better. I hope I've made sense today. Thanks for watching my video. I wish you all the best.